Congratulations on building your video lead page. In this video, I am going to cover what to do next. Now that you've built your lead page, you have a link right here that says download your real estate video lead page. Now what's going to happen is you're going to be prompted to save this file. You can open it, and I'll show you what that looks like when you open it up. You should have all of your files ready to go. So here's our files. Now what I'm going to do is save on my desktop here, and it's going to be, you're not going to be able to see it, but I'm going to create a folder on my desktop, and I'm just going to call it RE video. Okay, so let me just show you what that looks like. Here's the folder right here, and you can see it says RE video. All I'm going to do is grab my two files here and put them in that folder. All right, now once I have them in that folder, the next step is to zip it up using a file or a software that I use called WinZip. Okay, so let me get this out of the way, and I'll get RE video over here so I can show you what that looks like. So you can see there, it's a zipped up folder. That's all I did was zip up the folder, because what I need to do is head over to my cPanel, and hopefully your serving company or your hosting company has a cPanel that you can access. And I'm going to be using my domain davidcisneros.com for this example only, but you may be using a different URL, something real estate related or something like that. So I'm going to click on the File Manager tab. Let me see if I could shrink this in the window here so that you guys could see what's going on, but that's not going to work. Let me go back here, and I'm trying to shrink this up. Okay, that should be a little bit better. Now, once I'm inside of my server, you can see I have a ton of files here. I've got WordPress installed. I've got a whole bunch of other files on this URL. So it doesn't really matter. All you need to do is go to your public_HTML area, click on that link right there, or on that little tab, and you can see I got a bunch of folders here that I use. But what we're going to do is upload my file, and that's the RE video zipped file right here. I'm going to drop that right in there, and once it uploads, this is going to turn green. There it is. Now once I have it uploaded, that's good to go. I need to reload my files so that it shows up here and I can find that zip. And let me see where it's at. RE video. There it is, all zipped up. So I need to right click and extract these files. Let me extract them. So it's going to extract all my files. Now this is really the easiest way to do it if you're using just your cPanel and your file manager. So you can see here that now I have my folder on my server. So that should be live up on the web right now. So I'm going to go to davidcisneros.com, RE video, tap that in there, and you can see that I have my file uploaded to my server. Now you can see the color schemes are pretty bad. I just use it as a quick example. But you can see at davidcisneros.com, RE video, this is now live and on the web. Pretty cool, right? So once again, go to your file manager, make sure your file is zipped up, upload your file, drop it in this section here. Once you have it uploaded to your public HTML area, which is right here, you're going to extract your files. Once they get extracted, they will be it'll be right here in a folder, and then you can go live to your site. All right, another option that you have is to use our FTP upload button. Okay, now you do need some information for your upload. You need to know your host. All right, now you can get all of this information from your hosting company. You need to know which port to use. You need to know your username and password. Okay, so let me go ahead and get my username and paste that in there, and I'll go ahead and put my password in there. Now all I need to do is put in here the path that I want my files to go. So it's public_HTML /. Now I want them to go to my main file, okay? But it's going to go under davidcisneros.com like I showed you, but I need to put in the folder name that I want these files to go into. So this time I'm going to put in RE-Lead FTP. All right, just so we know that this is the FTP upload. I'm going to click my upload button. And it just takes a few seconds here to kind of get all those files sent up there. If you do not have your proper hosting account information, it's going to say unsuccessful. But in this case, it says upload successful. So if I go back to my hosting account, go to my file manager, go to my public_HTML, I should be able to find my file right in here. And there it is, RE-Lead FTP. Okay? So if I go to my domain and type in RE-Lead FTP, hit enter, there is my file up and on the web. Okay? So those are the two different ways that you can upload your files to your server. If you need help with this information, I personally can't help you because there are so many hosting companies out there. You would have to contact the support for your host, but just think, you only have to do it one time, and then you can use this way over and over and over again. It'll save you a ton of time, and then you can create multiple links that you could send different clients or prospects and let them know that you're doing video marketing for real estate agents. All right, I hope this video was helpful, and thanks again for your purchase. We hope that this software is working for you and that the real estate video lead page is going to get you some new clients. Take care.